Imagine this. You're standing at the edge of something huge. Feel the energy of possibility as Solar Grids invites you to power up your life in a way that you've always dreamed about. We're not just the largest solar franchisor in North America, we're handing you the keys to own a piece of it. Now, picture this moment. You sign on as a franchisee, and instantly 25,000 stock options lands in your hands. Feel that rush. You're already a player in our success right from the start. Now, see your team out there installing solar, making a difference. With every install your team does, you earn another 1,000 stock options. Do you hear the sound of that progress? That's your future growing, tied to our publicly traded stock. Your reward for every step that you take. Now, feel the pride in knowing this. Solar Grids is the only franchisor bold enough to trade publicly in the solar industry, and the only one giving you the exclusive stock option edge. No one else dares to match this. You're stepping into something extremely rare. Now, imagine around 80 franchise territories pulsing with energy. You're a part of this momentum, building not just a business, but a legacy, your legacy, with every install fueling your wealth. So why wait? Take that first step now. Claim your 25,000 stock options and start creating the future that you see for yourself, one install at a time.